Good day. This is a preview of Manjaro 16.8 pre-2 LADA 64-bit. It is based on the XFCE desktop environment, and yes, let's have a look around. At startup you will see this welcome screen where you can find out more about Manjaro. You can go to README with its more information about the release info. Let's have a look. You can look around here. Kernel 4.6, Plasma 5.7, XFCE 4.2, and many other interesting information here. Here you can go to its wiki space, forums, if you have questions, chat room, if you have questions, mailing list, also if you have questions. Here's information about how to get involved in this operating system project, how to build Manjaro. Let's go into here. Hope it opens up. And if you want to support, there we go. Yeah. So if you want to play around, build your own Manjaro operating system, use the tools. If you want to donate to the system, here you can follow them on Reddit, Twitter, Facebook and Google+. If you want this welcome screen to appear every time when you start your system, then you just keep it like this. Otherwise, unmark this dot, then it won't show up again. Let's go to the bottom panel. Here you can look at your computer shutdown and all those functions. Here's your calendar and your time, your power settings. Here you can update your system, volume control, internet, network, kernels, so you can upgrade to kernel 4.7, which is the newest. It's pretty cool. For the sake of this video, I will not upgrade it, it's going to take too long, but go ahead and try it out. And here's your clipboard, which stores information. If you want to have some programs on your one desktop and open and running, and if you want others, you can easily switch between the two. This is a great way of doing this. This is, let's say you have a few programs open. Let's open up a home folder, your file system, and let's open trace also. Then you can just click this button, takes it straight to the desktop. If you click it again, don't mess it up again. Let's see at the panel properties panel. About the panel, it is XFCE 4 panel 4.12.0. Pretty stable. Help. You can look online for information about this panel. Lockout if you want to log out to your system. Panel preferences, let's have a look. Here you can add panels if you want to. Here's another panel. And you can add new items to this panel. Let's be there for a while. And how do you delete this panel? Sadly, I don't have a clue how to delete this. We start from... you can delete it as easy as... Sorry for the inconvenience. If you go to... Let's go back here. Just finishing up looking here. Show you all the info which is on your panel. Pretty neat. Here you can remove the panel. Here you can move the panel. Doesn't really work. Alright, just know how it works. Properties. Here you can make it transparent. Here you can separator. Close. Yeah. Doesn't work like I thought it should work. If you go to the menu, it's pretty obvious. Recently used all accessories. And run through them. Quite a few options. Libraries, webs, games. With this Steam install is pretty cool. All the gamers are there. Graphics. Game libraries draw. View. No. What is cool about libraries of a draw, you can modify PDFs inside libraries draw. Internet. Pre-install with Firefox, Pigeon, Thunderbird, XChat, Steam, VLC, music players, mixers, burning programs, LibreOffice, it's LibreOffice 5, multimedia, Office, settings. You can look at all the settings of your system, updates. You can run easier when it's printers, G-parted, to configure your locking screen, to add and remove software. Let's see what program they are using. ArcMark. Pretty simple to use. And it's LibreOffice 5.0.63. If you go back here, you will have your administration. You can add some of your details if you would like to. System settings. Yes. Obviously they got any hotkeys, sadly not. Maximize it. Appearances. And to customize your computer, desktop. Some nice wallpapers which you can play around with and choose your favorite. This looks quite interesting. Menu, icons. File manager, you can manage your file. System. Notifications, you can turn off and turn on notifications panel. We have looked at it when we were looking at the panel. Preferred applications, the applications which your computer will use on default. Windows Manager, if you want to customize it to suit your needs better. Windows Manager tweaks, if you want to customize it again for your likeness. Workspaces, as we spoke about here. Display, if you have projector and you want to connect it and you want to configure it correctly, or if your resolution is isn't correct, this is a great way to configure it. Keyboard, settings for the keyboard, mouse, also settings for your mouse and touchpad, power manager if you want to configure your power management for it to be more pleasant for you, to configure removable drives in media courier, info mode, accessibility, keyboard, mouse, more info about this if needed, to configure a firewall for your configuration if you want to configure the login screen to be more pleasing for you, to manage and customize notifier settings. Let's have a quick look. Type your password. I always use Ubuntu. It's my default password. Here's some info about this. You can configure it. And yes, your MIME tab editor. And change as you want, modify as you want. So configure the startup settings and session settings. And Bluetooth adapters. I don't have a Bluetooth device. My computer doesn't have a Bluetooth. That doesn't have Bluetooth, so it doesn't upload this for me. And settings editor. Here you can configure it as you like. Yeah. So, yeah, full, straightforward, and easy to understand. I presume this is the Bluetooth. We open, if you right click on the desktop, we can open a new folder. You can create a launcher, let's say for Firefox. We can open Firefox from our desktop. As simple as that. We're going to create a URL for a specific page. You can just write the information here and change the icons you want. You can create a folder. You can create an empty document. You can copy and paste terminal. You can open up a terminal inside the file where you are or directory. You can open up under the file system as root. Type your password. Search, you want to search your the directory you are inside, new, there's all the folders, files and folders, arrange desktop icons, arrange it with one, desktop settings, been here before, properties, there's information about the directory you are inside of, applications. This is basically the same as your start menu, just another way to access it. Yes, let's look at the file system to end this review. Help, about, under, Founder 1.6.10, go, yes, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.